Uh-oh, someone got kicked out of a Monopoly tournament because of unsportsmanlike conduct. So he started a brawl. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. I'm telling you, people are really competitive when it comes to board games. John Litton is, apparently, a Monopoly enthusiast. So much so that he goes to tournaments. But it looks like his enthusiasm turns into outrage, because according to court documents, Litton was shut out of the 2015 7th Annual Stone County Monopoly Tournament. It turns out he engaged in what's described as unsportsmanlike conduct the year before. So this year, officials said he couldn't come to the tournament. In response, Litton started a brawl and was arrested. Something tells me he doesn't see the irony here. Police say that while no one was seriously injured, Litton faces a bunch of charges: disturbing the peace, trespassing, and 5 counts of third-degree assault. He's being held in the county jail without bond. I can't even imagine how many go directly to jail and get out of jail free jokes this guy has heard. I mean, he did start a fight over Monopoly, so I don't know what else he expects. But I kinda get it. I always play as the dog token, and one time my friend got to it first, so I had to play as the top hat. And then we still had a pretty nice game of Monopoly, so it's not the same. But 60, now you know, pass it on.